What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. Today we got a new hybrid monster, the PRO-TWN5. Wait until you guys see this and hear this. So what do you mean hybrid monster? So it's sort of a compression driver slash tweeter all together built in a small, compact, very loud size. So let's open it up. Check this out. Check that out. What else is in the box? Some screws, manual, and let's show you guys the TW. There you go, PRO-TWN5. So this is a 3.6 inch tweeter, compression driver, super tweeter slash, I don't know, hybrid. But this thing is insane. It's good looking, it's loud. Check it out. There you go. Look at it. Neodymium motor, neodymium magnet. This is a 1.5 inch voice coil. Some power ratings: 400 watts max power, 200 watts program power, and 100 watts AES power. Frequency response from 1.5 kilohertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. And then we got a sensitivity of 107 dBs. 1.5 inch voice coil. Check that out. Now what everybody wants, is it loud? Of course it's loud. Let's connect this bad boy here. Positive, negative. Phone. Grab a song, press play, and here we go. Right there is half volume, half volume. Three-quarters. Gosh. I'm telling you guys, this thing is crazy loud. Let's check out another song. This thing is annoying loud. Annoying loud. It fits anywhere. If you want to use a door panel, you want to use a dash, wherever you want to put it. It's real nice, good looking, very loud, extremely loud. The PRO-TWN5. It's beautiful, beautiful. Now, it's being powered by our Candy 5 channel. At 4 ohms, this is a 4 ohms tweeter, so it's probably getting around 80 watts only. So this thing can take it. It can take it. I'm telling you guys, video does no justice at all. But this thing sounds amazing. Make sure you guys look into it. So there you guys have it. The PRO-TWN5 high compression driver slash tweeter. It's good. I like it. I like it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.